and it's built for endurance athletes who don't stop. It's a powerful multi-sport GPS smartwatch made for ultra-distance runners, hikers, cyclists, and outdoor explorers. With its strong battery life, rugged build, and smart tracking features, it continues what the Enduro series does best, lasting longer and performing better than most fitness watches. From the first look, the Enduro 3 gives off a strong, tough vibe. The design hasn't changed too much from the Enduro 2, but that's not a bad thing. It still looks and feels like a premium outdoor watch. The case is large, solid, and built with either titanium or stainless steel, depending on which version you pick. The display is sunlight visible, and the watch uses Garmin's Power Glass solar lens for extended battery life. The always-on display is crisp and readable in all conditions. Whether you're under the sun or out on a dark trail, visibility is never a problem. One of the main reasons people buy the Enduro is battery life. And the Enduro 3 takes this to another level. With solar charging, the watch can last up to 40 days in smartwatch mode and up to 120 hours in GPS mode. That's without needing to plug it in. For people doing long races or expeditions, this is a game changer. You don't have to worry about running out of battery in the middle of a long run or multi-day hike. Garmin knows its audience, and this watch is built around that need. The watch includes all the latest sensors. It comes with a new generation heart rate monitor, better GPS accuracy with multi-band GNSS, and a new skin temperature sensor. The upgraded heart rate sensor gives more accurate data during high-intensity efforts and even during sleep. The GPS system now supports all 5 satellite systems at the same time, giving better precision, especially in tricky areas like forests or canyons. Garmin's mapping and route guidance also work smoother and faster than before. The Enduro 3 includes topographic maps, ski maps, and even road and trail maps built right into the watch. Navigation features are smarter now. You get turn-by-turn directions, back-to-start routing, and real-time breadcrumb tracking. If you're into trail running or mountain biking, this is incredibly helpful. The watch also supports Climb Pro, which shows you upcoming elevation changes on your route. You can see how steep the next hill is and plan your effort accordingly. Garmin has added a new endurance score feature. It looks at your long-term training data and combines it with VO2 max and training load to give a clear number showing how much endurance you have. This is helpful for runners and cyclists trying to build long-term stamina. There's also a hill score that tracks how good you are at climbing based on your pace and heart rate during uphill efforts. It gives you insight into which areas you're improving and where you still need work. Training readiness is another feature that's now smarter. It looks at your sleep, recovery time, heart rate variability, and recent training to show how ready your body is to train each day. This is useful if you're following a serious training plan and want to avoid overtraining. You wake up, check your watch, and see if today's a good day to go hard or take it easy. The Enduro 3 also offers the same training features found in top-tier watches like the Phoenix and Epic series. You get suggested workouts, interval training, load tracking, recovery time, and performance condition during runs. There's a built-in race predictor that shows expected finish times for 5K, 10K, half marathon, and marathon distances. These predictions get better as the watch learns your fitness levels over time. For athletes who train by heart rate zones or power zones, the Enduro 3 supports those too. It works with external sensors like chest straps, cycling power meters, and running pods. You can also create custom workouts and sync them from the Garmin Connect app. Whether you're doing a tempo run or a structured cycling session, the Enduro 3 keeps you on track. Sleep tracking is much better than previous models. It now uses heart rate variability and skin temperature for more detailed analysis. You get a full breakdown of deep, light, and REM sleep. The watch also shows a sleep score and tips on how to improve your rest. If you're serious about performance, sleep is key, and this watch helps you understand your patterns. The body battery feature continues to be useful. It shows how much energy you have based on your rest, stress, and activity. It's simple but effective. You can use it to decide when to train, rest, or recover. It's especially helpful during long events or busy training blocks when managing energy becomes critical. The stress tracking on the Enduro 3 is now more advanced. It gives real-time updates and daily summaries. You can also do guided breathing exercises right from the watch. These are short, calming sessions that help lower stress and focus the mind. It's a small touch, but it adds balance to the performance focus. Daily smart features are still here. You can get calls, texts, and app notifications on your wrist. The watch works with both Android and iPhone, though some features are limited on iOS. Garmin Pay is included for contactless payments. You can also store and play music directly from the watch. It supports Spotify, Deezer, and Amazon Music. This means you can run or ride without your phone and still have your playlists with you. The interface is clean and fast. Garmin added a new UI that makes scrolling through widgets and stats easier. The watch responds quickly to inputs, and the buttons feel solid. There's no touchscreen on the Enduro 3, which is intentional. In wet, cold, or rough conditions, physical buttons are more reliable. And for serious athletes, that's what matters. The Enduro 3 is also built for all-weather performance. It's water-rated to 10 atm, so it handles swimming, rain, and sweat without problems. The rugged case resists bumps, drops, and tough use. You can wear it during a mountain ultra, through river crossings, or even in snowstorms, and it won't let you down. Garmin has also improved the solar charging tech. The Power Glass now captures more sunlight throughout the day, even in overcast weather. If you spend lots of time outside, the watch extends battery life significantly. For people doing multi-day treks, this is a major bonus. Less charging means more focus on the adventure. One new feature is the morning report. When you wake up, the watch shows you a quick summary of your day, weather, sleep, recovery, and HRV. It's a helpful start to the day and keeps you informed without needing to check your phone. You can customize what the report shows based on your routine. The Garmin Connect app adds even more to the experience. You can dive deep into your stats, plan workouts, analyze runs, and set goals. The app is easy to use and syncs quickly with the watch. There's also a web version for people who prefer larger screens and detailed charts. Garmin continues to support third-party apps through the Connect IQ store. You can add custom watch faces, widgets, and tools. Some people use Komoot for routes, Strava for segments, or STRYD for running power. The watch supports all of these. That means the Enduro 3 can be tailored to your exact training needs. Battery life is still the king here. Even with all-day tracking, multiple GPS activities, and smart notifications, it lasts for weeks. You can go on a week-long hike, record everything, and still have battery left. This is the main reason many athletes pick the Enduro over other smartwatches. If you're coming from the Enduro 2, the upgrades may seem small, but they're meaningful. Better heart rate accuracy, new sensors, improved maps, longer GPS runtime, and new training metrics make a real difference. For serious users, the Enduro 3 refines everything you already loved. Compared to the Phoenix 7 or Epix Pro, the Enduro 3 focuses more on battery and endurance. It doesn't have a flashy AMOLED screen, but it lasts way longer. If you need performance over looks, this is the better pick. It's also lighter and simpler, with fewer distractions. The price is high, but expected. You're getting top-end materials, advanced features, and unmatched battery life. For someone who trains daily, races often, or travels into remote places,